In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in WordPress. This is a valuable skill that can help you customize your website's look and feel according to your unique vision. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you manage everything about your site. Enter your credentials carefully and click on the Login button. This step is crucial because it ensures only authorized users can make changes to your site. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Appearance section. Look for the option labeled Editor, sometimes called Site Editor. Click on it. This is where you'll access the tools necessary to modify your site's design. The editor is important because it allows you to see changes in real time. Now in the left menu, search for and click on Styles. This section lets you manage how different elements on your site appear. It's like the wardrobe of your website, giving you control over its visual style. Understanding this area well will enable you to make impactful design decisions easily. Next up, click the three dots, often seen as a vertical ellipsis, or search for an option labeled Additional CSS. This is where you will add custom styling rules to override default themes. It's a powerful tool for those who want to tweak their site's appearance without altering the core theme files. Open the Additional CSS section if it's available. Here you can write or paste your custom CSS code. This is the heart of the customization process. Be sure to paste your CSS code carefully. Make sure there are no errors, as even a small mistake can affect the appearance of your entire website. With your CSS code pasted, the next step is essential. Click on the Save button. This action ensures that all the changes you've made are stored and applied to your site. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your changes have been saved successfully. At this point, take a moment to review your website to ensure the changes look as expected. This step is crucial to verify that your custom CSS is working correctly. If something doesn't look right, revisit the Additional CSS section to make adjustments. Remember, adding custom CSS to your WordPress site is a powerful way to enhance its design. It allows you to personalize and differentiate your site from others using the same theme. This is particularly useful if you want your website to reflect your brand's identity more closely. With the knowledge you've gained today, you can now confidently add custom CSS to your WordPress site. This skill not only enhances your site's appearance, but also builds your expertise in web development. Keep experimenting and refining your design to create a site that's uniquely yours. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy customizing!